Hello everyone, thank you for having me here today. There are many different species of animal on our planet that live in every different kind of terrain. Did you know that according to the article Sea Turtles of the World, written on March 15th, 2023, on the Oliver Ridley Project website, there are only around 310 species of turtle in our world. Only 7 of these are sea turtle. I am here to inform you today of the early lives, later lives, and current threats faced by sea turtles. These turtles are amazing creatures and can be found all over our Earth. I have had many different experiences with sea turtles myself. I've been to many different conservatories, I've seen their egg nesting sites, and a few years ago I found a large leatherback turtle washed up on the beach. Now let's begin talking about the early lives of sea turtles. Located in the article Sea Turtles of the World, written on March 15th, 2023, on the Oliver Ridley website, when a mother turtle lays her eggs, she'll usually lay from around 60 to 180 of them per nest. She usually lays around 2 nests per season. Once the mother lays her eggs, she'll usually leave the nests on their own to survive and return back to her own feeding grounds. On average, these nests take around 40 to 80 days to hatch. It really depends on temperature. If the temperatures are warmer, there will usually be a higher concentration of female turtles in the nests, and it will take a longer time for these eggs to hatch. If the temperatures are cooler, there will usually be a higher concentration of male turtles, and it'll be vice versa. The nests will hatch much sooner. Breaking out of the eggs is hard work for these turtles, so they'll usually work together and use their beaks to break open their shells. They will then all work together once again to dig out of the nests. This process can take up to a few days, and whenever they finally break free of their nests, they'll usually try to do it at nighttime so that it has cooler temperatures. The turtles will then look towards the brightest sky and head towards the ocean. Many turtles do not survive this dangerous process due to the many threats they face. Some of these threats are predators, dehydration, and even heading towards human lights on the beach instead of the ocean. Once the turtles make it to safety, they'll swim far out to sea and live there for the next couple of years just feeding and growing. Now that we have gone over the early life of sea turtles, let us move on to the later lives. The turtles' later lives consist mostly of migrating, feeding, and mating. Sea turtles travel anywhere from hundreds to even thousands of miles in their later lives. This was found in Information About Sea Turtles, General Behavior, on conserveturtles.org. This website also tells us that, as well as traveling hundreds to even thousands of miles, they can also detect the angle and trajectory of the Earth's magnetic field. Using these 2 characteristics, a turtle may be able to determine its longitude or latitude and navigate virtually anywhere on this planet. Sea turtles also live a pretty long time. Depending on the species, they can live anywhere from 30 to 80 years, sometimes even more. According to Monica Cole, who wrote the article, How Old is the Oldest Sea Turtle?, Discover Magazine on June 8th, 2022, the Kemp's Ridley turtle usually has a lifespan ranging from 25 to 35 years. The longest living turtle is known as the green turtle. They usually live 70 to 80 years, sometimes even more. Julia Travers, the author of the article, How Long Do Sea Turtles Live?, published on ThoughtCo on September 6, 2019, this woman says that there is rumored to be a sea turtle living in a Chinese aquarium that's around 400 years old. No one is sure of this turtle's age, it's only speculation. There's not much information about this, so it's only a rumor. Lisa Endicott, writer of the article What Do Turtles Eat?, published in the S'more Science magazine on February 24th, 2023, reported that sea turtles have a large variety of diet depending on the species. They can eat anything from organisms ranging to jellyfish, small crabs, sea sponges, algae, even small fish and things left over by fishing boats. They can also eat mollusks and other things. Now that we know about sea turtles' later lives, let us move on to the current threats that they face. Climate change has created many dangers for the turtles. One danger is that as sea level rises, the mother turtles lose beach space for their nesting sites. Another danger is that as temperatures rise, there is a higher concentration of female turtles. As mentioned by Maya Yang of the news article, global heating means almost every sea turtle in Florida now born female, posted on The Guardian on August 4th, 2022. She said that almost every single turtle born on Florida beaches in the past 4 years has been born female. This is almost 99% of the turtles. This poses a large threat to the turtle population, and it may cause a decrease in turtles over the next couple years. Warmer temperatures have also been affecting the turtles' diets. Unfortunately, climate change is not the only danger faced by these turtles. The turtles are also threatened by humans. Humans leave trash and pollution in the ocean that the turtles sometimes eat, and then it clogs up their throats and their intestines and causes them to starve to death. They can also get trapped inside of this trash, and they can die there too. Humans also poach turtles and their eggs. They also use turtles as meat sometimes, and they'll eat the turtles. That's not all. Humans also accidentally kill sea turtles in things like fishing accidents, lights on the beach that lure the babies away, and disturbing nesting sites. Now that we have discussed the current threats faced by sea turtles, let us review. In conclusion, sea turtles are amazing animals with very interesting life cycles. Their early lives are fragile yet so important for their development. The later lives of turtles consist of hundreds of miles of migration and other activities necessary for survival. And sea turtles are faced with extreme amounts of danger, which is why we should work so hard to protect them. According to Hannah Ward, author of an article published on A to Z Animals on November 12, 2022, the odds of a sea turtle's survival to adulthood can be 1 in 1,000, or even smaller. 6 out of the 7 species of sea turtle today are considered endangered, but that does not mean that hope is lost for turtles. Thank you.